Hi, I'm Kep Kepner CPA here in Dallas. What if you were buying product or you had a company that was providing you services and you wanted to evaluate their customer service and their delivery or their product? What would you think would be acceptable? 90% performance? That's probably too low. How about 95%? 98%? On-time delivery, all of these kinds of measurements of how well somebody delivers their product or service to you. And we should expect at least 95%. That actually seems low to me. So what if you found out that the company you were buying from or doing business with was going to hire an extra 1,000 workers just to help with the customer service? Well, after the training cost for them, it's great that they're trying to do a better job. So what I've described really is what the IRS is doing. They're hiring an extra 1,000 workers for the tax season, and they're going to improve customer service. Sounds great, doesn't it? Well, let's check the numbers. The reality is last year, 60% of the callers to the IRS did not get through to them. And those that did had to wait for 30 minutes. So we're not talking 95%, not talking 97%, we're talking 60% success ratio. Now that has nothing to do with whether their problem was solved. That might be lower yet. But just getting through to them, 60% failed. So now with these extra 1,000 workers, the IRS is going to make it a lot better. They're hoping to make the wait time go down to 20 minutes. Okay, well, maybe that's okay. And the number of people getting through, instead of 40%, now 60% would get through. Tell me, does that sound like a good deal to you? It certainly doesn't to me. If you were at one of the major companies buying your cable or phone or whatever else, you'd be so frustrated that you couldn't see straight. But remember, they have competitors. Uncle Sam doesn't. So when you try to call them, they're trying to help you. And you might be in the lucky 60% that get through after your 20-minute wait. So the point to understand about that is that it is the government. People sometimes think, well, I can resolve with whatever this issue is of mine, I can resolve it with the government. Probably not. It's the government, and they have a different standard than you and I have for our own work, and a different standard that we would hold other people accountable for. So that's the real world we live in. And if you want to work your way through the maze of the IRS to solve your problems, we can probably help you with that. Give us a call. Thanks.